Okay guys, the time you all were waiting for, it's let me show you the time. I'm so sorry guys, it's 2:51. So I've been waiting for this for a really long time. It's the first time I'm gifting myself from this brand, and that's why I'm focusing on the quality of the video and everything. So yeah, the first thing that I gifted myself is this. Yeah, so it's iPhone 11, and this is the first time I'm coming into this brand, and I'm really excited. So I'm just going to do an unboxing. If you guys don't like unboxing, then just get out from this video. But it's really close to me, and this is for the first time I'm getting an iPhone. So I'm going to be really gonna take a long time with this video. So yeah, as usual, I am I'm a newbie to this brand, so of course I'm not going to be professional while opening the box. Yeah. Oh my god, I'm so sorry. Yeah, so here it is. Oh my god, you can look at the shine in the camera. I can see it on my old phone. Yeah, so and I'm not like any other reviewer, like put the phone aside and gonna open the box and show you all stuff. You guys are aware of it. I'm gonna straight go to this thing because oh my god, this thing is really beautiful in real. I can't tell you how beautiful this thing looks. So a very important time for me, for sure. There you go, the Apple logo. So while this thing is launching, I'll show you what is there in the box. So designed by Apple in California, and you get this, the 5-watt normal adapter for your charger. You get this wired AirPods and the usual cable to enhance my oh my god, see, it just said namaste. And to enhance my battery charging, I got this 12-watt adapter. I'll just show you. I'm so sorry for so I got myself this the 12-watt power adapter. So it's going to help me charge my iPhone faster than this usual thing. And yeah, so let's go back to what is there on the iPhone. It says namaste and hello. I think guys, I've bored you enough. Hope you guys loved this thing. And the next thing that I gifted myself, I'll be definitely now syncing everything and working on this thing. The next thing I gifted myself, no, I didn't gift myself. It was my sister who gifted me this. Okay, so by now you can guess what exactly it is. So yes, I have already opened it and I've been using it for a day now. So this is the new Echo Dot. I'm in love with this system. The kind of songs this thing plays, it understands the genre very well and it plays really nice. You got these things and you got this one. So it's not like it runs on doesn't runs on battery, so you plug it in and it works. It's very good adapter. I felt the quality is very nice. So that's all guys. So I got all this for my birthday. I got this from my beautiful sister, and I'm in love with this. Now it's my turn for using this and experiencing the iPhone. I hope you guys loved the video.